What if grocery store shelves went empty overnight? Imagine a national emergency shutting down supply chains or a political crisis causing chaos at ports and borders. What if inflation spirals further out of control, making basic necessities unaffordable for millions? These scenarios aren't far-fetched. They're real possibilities as 2025 approaches. With the rising cost of living, unpredictable weather events, and political instability in the mix, being unprepared is no longer an option. A well-stocked pantry could mean the difference between comfort and desperation in times of crisis. Here are 12 essential foods and supplies you need to secure now. Don't wait until it's too late. Number 1 must-have is water. Water is life, plain and simple. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. Use food-grade containers for long-term storage, and consider adding water purification tablets or a portable filter to your emergency kit. In a pinch, you can boil water using a camping stove or grill to ensure it's safe to use. Investing in a couple cooking tools is essential. A camping stove or portable grill with plenty of charcoal or propane is invaluable during power outages. Remember to plan ahead. This will help you stay calm during the crisis. Number 2. Canned meats, vegetables, and fruits. Canned goods are the ultimate survival food. They're shelf-stable, nutrient-dense, and easy to prepare. Store them in cool, dry areas, and don't forget a manual can opener. Always check the cans for dents, rust, or bulging, as these could indicate contamination and the food can become unsafe to eat. Once opened, transfer unused portions to another container and refrigerate immediately if possible. Or use it within 1 to 2 days if refrigeration isn't available. In an emergency, canned foods are fully cooked and ready to eat cold, but heating them can improve taste and texture. Make sure you also pack multi-purpose tools such as heat-safe cookware and reusable utensils. These make meal prep much easier when you don't have access to electricity or standard appliances. Number 3. Rice and other grains. Grains are excellent for emergency food storage. They are affordable, filling, and have a long shelf life when stored properly. Whole grains like rice, quinoa, and barley can last for years if kept in airtight containers and stored in cool, dry, and dark places. For even longer storage, consider vacuum sealing grains. These grains provide a versatile base for meals and are easy to cook. You can just boil the grains in water on a camping stove. Grains are also rich in carbohydrates, providing essential energy during stressful situations. Combine rice with canned meat and veggies for a hearty meal. Number 4 must-stockpile food is pasta. Pasta is a budget-friendly staple that's easy to store and cook. Keep it in its original packaging or transfer it to sealed containers for longer shelf life. Pair it with jarred sauce and canned meat for a quick, satisfying meal. Although packaging will have an expiration date, you can safely eat pasta long after this date. Number 5. Peanut butter and crackers. Peanut butter and crackers make a perfect emergency food. They are high in calories and protein, providing quick energy. Both have a long shelf life and require no refrigeration, making them ideal for storage. Peanut butter can be eaten alone or spread on crackers for a satisfying snack. It's easy to pack for on-the-go situations, and the combination of fat and protein helps keep you full longer. In fact, stockpile on other nut butters such as almond butter or cashew butter. They are versatile and last forever. You will be glad to have them in an emergency. Number 6 is honey. Honey isn't just sweet, it's a survival superfood. It never spoils and doubles as a natural remedy for sore throats and minor wounds. Honey has antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It is a must-have if you are stockpiling. Store it in a sealed container in a cool, dry place, or eat a spoonful to boost your energy in an emergency. Number 7. Dried fruits and veggies. Dried fruits are lightweight, nutrient-packed, and long-lasting. These include raisins, prunes, dried apricots, or literally any other fruits that you like can be dried. Keep them in vacuum-sealed bags and they will last for a very long time. Dried vegetables are also a great emergency food because they retain much of their nutritional value. To preserve them, vegetables are typically dehydrated using heat or air, which removes moisture that can cause spoilage and mold. The drying process stops the growth of bacteria and prevents oxidation. This keeps the vegetables safe to eat for months or even years. To rehydrate, simply soak dried veggies in water or add them directly to soups and stews. Keep dried veggies in airtight containers, away from heat and moisture, to ensure they stay fresh until needed. Number 8. Canned beans. Canned beans are a reliable and affordable emergency food that can last for years when stored properly. They are already cooked, making them perfect for quick meals. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, providing a filling and nutritious option during emergencies. Always check the can for damage like dents or bulging. Once opened, canned beans should be transferred to a sealed container and refrigerated, where they'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. Number 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is affordable, filling, and easy to store. Keep it in airtight containers to avoid moisture. Oatmeal is extremely versatile. It can even be used in soups for a nutritious and quick meal in an emergency situations. Add honey, powdered milk, or dried fruits for a nutritious breakfast that requires just boiling water to prepare. Number 10. Powdered milk. Powdered milk has a long shelf life, making it a great alternative to fresh milk. Store it in a cool, dry place and reseal tightly after use. Powdered milk is a great emergency food because it doesn't need refrigeration. It can be used in place of fresh milk for cooking, baking, or drinking. To prepare, simply mix the powder with water to reconstitute it. Powdered milk is also a good source of calcium, protein, and vitamins, making it a nutritious addition to your pantry. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for emergency kits or long-term food storage. Number 11. Jarred sauces and cooking oils. Jarred sauces like marinara or Alfredo and cooking oils are kitchen essentials. Keep them in cool, dark areas to maintain freshness. In emergency situations, combine jarred sauce with pasta and canned meat for a satisfying meal for your family. Or simply use oil to fry, sauté, or drizzle over cooked grains for added flavor. Number 12. Salt and other spices. Salt isn't just for flavor. It's essential for food preservation and maintaining electrolyte balance. Store salt and other spices in sealed containers to keep them dry. Other than salt, stock up on versatile spices like garlic powder, chili flakes, turmeric, cumin, ginger, etc. Spices are not only great for adding flavor to meals, but also offer numerous health benefits. In an emergency, spices can be used as medicine. For example, ginger can soothe nausea, while garlic may help fight infections. Many spices, like garlic, ginger, and turmeric, have natural antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. These spices can help boost your immune system, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. And here is the recipe for our delicious savory oatmeal soup for you to try. Step 1. Cook oatmeal in a mixture of water and canned tomatoes. Step 2. Add 1 canned beans, mixture of garlic powder, cumin, and paprika. Step 3. Finish with rehydrated spinach or kale and drizzle some olive oil. And voila! You have nutritious easy meal in just about 5 minutes. Act now to stockpile these essentials before January 2025. When emergencies strike, being prepared is the difference between stress and survival. Good luck! Subscribe for more educational content like this.